Hello everyone. Welcome back. Can you think of better alternatives for words starting with very? Give each of these a try, for 10 seconds. In the end we will know alternative words and will use them in the sentences. So, let's get started. Let's review the alternatives. Instead of using very accurate, we can use precise. Example sentence. The bunker's precise location is a closely guarded secret. Instead of using very amazed, we can use astounded. Example sentence. I was astounded to hear that Tina had left. Instead of using very angry, we can use furious. Example sentence. I was late and he was furious with me. Instead of using very anxious, we can use dismayed. Example sentence. I was dismayed to discover that he'd lied. Instead of using very aware, we can use conscious. Example sentence. My tooth doesn't exactly hurt, but I'm conscious of it all the time. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and improving your English. Share the video with your friends and colleagues. Do like, share and subscribe the channel.